So hello my dear friend, as I told that institute need to give information and need to communicate with the students regarding the topic of debarment, regarding the topic of results, एग्जाम फॉर्म के बारे में सर ने नहीं बताया तो मैं सीएमए पप्पन भाई सर का जो गॉड ऑफ सीएमए मैं मानता हूँ उन्हें, ब्रेक द चेन बट नॉट द फर्टिनिटी, ओके बट नॉट द रिलेशनशिप। तो भाई उनका वीडियो मैं लगा दे रहा हूँ, पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गया उस वीडियो के थ्रू, आप लोग का बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस खत्म हो जाएगा। तो ये वीडियो पूरा एंड तक देखो एंड यस एग्जाम फॉर्म का अपडेट मैं एंडिंग में बता देता हूँ, ठीक है। सुनो ये सर का वीडियो पूरा एंड तक एंड टेक रेस्ट, आराम करो थोड़ा।
So, Namaskar, Namaste, very good evening to each and every one of you. Hope you all are fine. Yes, I am also fine. So, straight away coming to the point, in fact, a lot of messages and chats and so many questions or calls out of anxiety I can understand with regard to the results of the just concluded examination of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, right? To the training with regard to the various positions regarding the internship, so many things are there, but kindly excuse me for that. Some other time definitely we will come back to you. We will try to help you for the forthcoming examination or preparation or so many doubts. But this particular video I have come only to tell or give some sort of comfort that the results will be declared before month end. I will not tell the date. Only thing rest assured is examination department officials are working really hard and they are maintaining good coordination and licensing with the examiners and valuers for specific reasons. And institute will be coming out with a notification soon, maybe within 1 or 2 or 3 days, whatever may be, about the exact declaration of result date. This is also this much only I want to convey, right? Because the practice is very good and it makes X or Y more competent, but the malpractice I cannot fill that sentence, na? So there are so many things. The only thing is examination was concluded last week of February. That too because of the demand of the students, and to help the students only we had to conduct a different phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times or 4 times or whatever it is. Finally all the students have been covered and everybody have done the examination. So naturally after that a certain process is there. Yes, online examination, me, if I am a student, I will also be very happy to have the result then and there. Either fail, chalo 2 दिन वैसे रोएंगे, after that we will come out this thing. If we pass, okay, we will go for the next this thing step to build up our career or preparation for the next examination, that is intermediate to students for final 1 group or 2 groups or whatever it is. I am telling, I can also understand the anxiety. Rather, I was also feeling, and every time we are also asking us to please announce the result quickly like that. So this video, am I very clear? Before the month end, I am not telling a specific date like a 25 or 26 or 27 or 28, but wait for the institute notification, it will be this thing. So please, I can understand your anxiety, plus please don't have more tension by asking more and more questions on the same thing. Please share with your friends this video or the message in this to them, so that they will also understand that somebody, their own Pappan Bhai has come and told something, and save that GB or data or this thing, because this life, your age is for enjoyment. Unlike many people coming in video and telling that you utilize your time in a very best manner, you study this, you study that, itna to ho gaya, this much has happened, another 2 weeks or whatever it is, you enjoy. Watch some movies which you like, or enjoy some games, or listen to music, or watch some cricket matches or some other matches which is going on. Why to use that GB and data and create Binami poster or this thing and waste your time, na? Hope I am very clear. And as you all know, the second wave of COVID-19 is on this thing, that is what we are hearing. So please stay safe, stay blessed. If possible, please take care of elders also at home. So break the chain, but not the relationship. Let us maintain good relationship, right? And allow your Pappan-bhai to be Pappan-bhai. Don't create confusion in my name or with my photo or whatever it is. This is my humble request to whoever that they have done it in style or out of fun or making others more this thing. Kindly avoid that, okay? So break the chain, but not the relationship. All the very best for the results which will be coming, as I told some this thing before this month and at the this thing, and you will get the notification also. So wish you all the best. Thank you, thank you. Bye bye, bye.
तो होप आपका बहुत सारा मींस 99.9% रिलीफ आपका खत्म हो गया। आई नो रिजल्ट्स का बात है तो थोड़ा सा टेंशन अभी भी रहेगा, पर डेट्स को लेके जो इशू था, अब एक अथॉरिटी के पर्सन ने आपको एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दिया मेरे दोस्त, अब थोड़ा सा टेंशन कम कर लो। उन्होंने ये मेंशन कर दिया कि मार्च के बाद तो नहीं, मार्च में ही आपको मिल जाएगा। तो यस, एग्जाम फॉर्म का जो अपडेट है भाई, जब तक रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएगा तब तक एग्जाम फॉर्म का अपडेट नहीं मिलेगा इंस्टीट्यूट से, क्योंकि जिन भी बंदों ने जैन अटेम्प्ट में एग्जामिनेशन दिया होगा फर्स्ट ग्रुप या थर्ड ग्रुप, अब वो लोग को तो सेकंड ग्रुप या फोर्थ ग्रुप देना होगा ना, जब वो बंदे अगर पास हो जाएंगे तो वो बंदे को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए, हम लोग को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए, मतलब जो जून अटेम्प्ट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो वो दोनों को मिला के जब तक रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएगा, दोनों को जब तक रिजल्ट्स आ जाएगा उसके बाद ही एग्जाम फॉर्म का एक डेट एनालाइज किया जाएगा, उसको एक नोटिफिकेशन के थ्रू इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा। तो दिस वाज ऑल क्विक अपडेट रिलेटेड टू योर एग्जामिनेशन, डिपार्टमेंट एंड रिजल्ट्स डेट स्पेशली। ठीक है, ऑफिशियली आपको मिल गया। ठीक है, सीएम पद्मनाभन सर ने बता दिया आपको सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन। बाकी चैनल पे नए हो मेरे दोस्त तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो, एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया, जाओ वहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो जाओ एंड अपडेटेड रहो सीएमए फर्टिलिटी से रिलेटेड। ऑल द बेस्ट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स।